excited.
Okay,
Okay.
we're gonna do some magic. Okay, I'm gonna give you each one of these. I guess you've seen one of these before?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a rubber band.
Yes.
It's very exciting.
Yes.
It's also extremely magical.
Okay.
It is. I'm gonna show you one of the very first pieces of magic that I learned when I was a child. And this is what it looks like. Watch the hands, because those rubber bands will go through the fingers, right like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
I said this
As
I learned
they
when
go.
I was a little kid.
Okay.
We're gonna do it a little bit different. We're gonna put that here like this, and we're gonna put this here like this, and I'm gonna lock them together like this.
Okay.
All right? So now, it will still go right through the fingers
Yes.
into there.
Okay.
Look, we're going to take this a step further. Have you ever heard of David Copperfield?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you the trick David Copperfield taught me.
Okay.
I'm lying. Watch. Those are locked there,
Yes.
correct? They're locked there.
Yeah.
They're locked there? Yeah? Locked there? Watch. Watch, watch, watch. Come in real close with that camera and watch as that melts right through. Right like that.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's for you,
Yeah, keep it.
and that's for you to keep, and that's for you.
It's really magic.
And there you go. There you go.
I know what I'm going to be doing next 2 weeks.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the magic.
It was really enjoyable.
Awesomeness.
Thank you very much.
Awesomeness.
Thank you. Okay.